Give me your name. What's your name? Okay. What's your name, brother?
This is Daniel.
Okay, what's your name, sister? Okay, and what's your name, sister? Thank you. I appreciate y'all having us here in Lalabella. Thank you very much. Right here.
Go ahead.
Let me know where you at.
It's on.
All right. Black Power. This your brother Sarasu Nseti. I'm live in Ethiopia. We, by chance, we done stumbled upon, an Olmec head right here in Ethiopia. And, what the brothers told us was that during the Ethiopian-Italian War, Mexico was one of the nations that stood up for Ethiopia, you know what I'm saying? And in commemoration of that alliance, you understand what I'm saying? Mexico sent an Olmec head to Ethiopia. And it's so powerful to, come here and see this Olmec head. And then, we having the Olmec Voyagers of the Nile tour this year, that this is the ancestors calling. That we, to come here in Ethiopia and see the two African nations, you know what I'm saying, merging together, Mama Ethiopia and the Olmec African civilization in the Americas. And so, we just sending this shout out to all our family.
The two big Olmec heads in the National Museum of Anthropology. This is by far my favorite. Very well preserved, much smaller than the other Olmec head. The features, for me, are undeniably African. And I believe that this one was found at a place called Huehuapan, an archaeological site in Mexico. But this one is really, really, really nice. As African as you can get.
OBIALA, UMUALAEKE na Arika Chinyere Denata America Mexico or Mexico na Mexico Mexico na Dafa Ibala di Idiogbe na 200 Tazana Diokpara Ada na faram Idiokpe na Garata Kinadam.